What's up, guys? I'm back with another hair review. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click that bell so you can get notified when I post more videos. Today's video was sponsored by iDefine Wig. If you would like to see how I achieved this whole look, just please keep on watching. Alright guys, we're just going to jump right in. This unit was sent to me from iDefine Wig. This is their 360 Exotic Curly unit. It is in 22 inches and the density is 150%. Inside you will have 4 combs, adjustable straps, and the option to put an elastic band. This is the hairline. I did bleach the knots on this unit, but I did not pluck her at all. So this is how she arrived. First off, I'm just going to cut the back lace just to make it easier for myself. And I also didn't glue down the back too, just to let you guys know. This unit is so beautiful, guys. I'm so obsessed with it. It's very full and very flowy. This is where it sits on me. This is 22 inches and I am 5 foot. Now I'm just going to show you guys the parting space. So the 360 lace, it goes all the way around. So I show you a middle part. I think it's about a 6-inch part. And then you can also do a deep side part. Now we're jumping into the install. I'm going to start off by cutting the ear tabs, and I'm going to make sure I don't feel any lace on my ear because that will be super uncomfortable. Now I'm just going to go in with a little bit of mousse just so I can pull back any flyaways that are in my way. Then I did decide to divide the lace into 3 parts, and then I'm just gonna glue her down in sections. So today we are going in with my bold hold lace glue because I'm looking for a strong hold with this unit, and I did go ahead and dot my hairline using my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk just so I can have the perfect install. So here I'm just laying down the left side and I'm going to do the exact same thing to the right side. And yeah, and then you can see me connecting the dots here. Now I'm about to cut this lace. To cut my lace today, I'm going in with these tiny scissors that I bought from my local swap meet. I feel these are great to use when cutting your lace. They're really sharp, and since they're tiny, you're able to really go in there and get that jagged cut. And then here I'm just cleaning up those white dots with some alcohol. On the back of my hand, I'm going to squeeze a little bit of glue, and using my rat tail comb, I will apply the glue to the places that I missed. I got this method from Alonzo Arnold. He is on Instagram. If you do decide to do this method, just make sure that you spread the glue very well, because it should dry pretty quick. Because when you lay the lace, the glue should not be white. It should be clear. At this point, I'm going to go ahead and fix up the lace and then cut me some baby hairs. I'm going to do the same method with my baby hairs. You guys will see here. The only thing I did differently was I used an elastic band to lay them down. You guys will see that shortly. And then yeah, just stay tuned and then we'll go ahead and style her together. Alright y'all, so this is the morning after. I was really tired the night before, so I just went ahead and gave her 4 separate twists, and I wrapped her up in a bonnet as well as laid down my lace with the silk wrap. So we're just going to take off these twists, and then we're going to go in with some conditioner and water mix as well as a towel, and then of course brush her out with a wide tooth comb. I did decide to do a middle part for this look, so I'm just going to get the part together. And also, all of the products that I used in today's video, I will make sure to leave everything down below for you guys. So just make sure to check out that description box. And this stuff right here, guys, this is John Frieda's Frizz Ease. This stuff worked wonders on this wig, you guys. It defined the curls. It dries beautifully. And it's not even like hard, crunchy curls. They're still soft and beautiful. And I'm just obsessed with this stuff. I'll leave this down below for you guys so you guys can check it out. And look at that. So bomb. But yeah, guys, this is the final look. I'm obsessed with this unit. I love it so much. It's so beautiful and it was definitely easy to manage. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you are interested in this unit, I'll be sure to link it down below. You guys can check it out. And yeah, I just can't get over this hair. It's just so pretty. Thank you guys so much for watching this video today. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Hi, everybody.
Hi, buddy.
Ah.
Baby.
Yeah, and the baby's right there, too.
This is baby, too.
Say, my name is Keanu.
My name is Keanu.
Ay, sus.